Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your laptop for a smooth Zoom meeting. Download and install the Zoom app before your meeting starts. Sign in to Zoom with your account or create one in 2 minutes. Check your camera, microphone, and speakers in the app settings. Test audio and video using a 5 Mbps Wi-Fi connection for reliable quality. Close unnecessary apps to reduce CPU load and distractions. Plug in power and use headphones to avoid echo and background noise. Open the Zoom app and click Schedule to create your meeting. Set the meeting date, start time, and a clear duration like 60 minutes. Choose your time zone and enable the waiting room for extra security. Create a meeting password and use a 6-digit password if required. Decide whether to use a generated meeting ID or your personal meeting ID. Integrate with your calendar and add participant emails to send automatic invites. Save the scheduled meeting and verify invite details before start the meeting from the Zoom app and admit participants from the waiting room. Use the participants panel to mute and unmute attendees as needed. Share your screen by selecting the appropriate window or desktop to present. Record the session to cloud or locally. Cloud recording uses about 1 GB per hour. Use chat for links and Q&A and consider enabling co-host for help. At the end, click End Meeting. Then send a follow-up email with the recording link and attendance details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.